The NATURE EXC is designed for riders who like to explore off the beaten path. We gave our design team a brief to build a sporty, reliable bike with well-balanced handling, great equipment and the best possible safety. It's safe to say they came up trumps. With its high-quality, lightweight aluminum frame, lockout-equipped Suntour suspension fork and 3x10 Shimano transmission, this is a bike that simply excels. Neat touches like the double-butted frame tubing, which saves weight without sacrificing strength, and internal gear cable routing, for cleaner looks and more reliable gear shifting, are typical of the attention to detail that our design team lavishes on every one of our bikes.